Hello guys, in this video I am going to introduce you to AskQX. AskQX is one of the most diverse chatbot powered by AI so far I have seen on the web. There are various others, but I think AskQX is going in a very right and good direction because not only it is supporting various languages, but there is an auto authentication of the language you put there. So let's get started with it. In order to start, all you need to do is to sign up with your email account, which I already have done. Once you sign up there, you'll be presented with this screen where you can start chatting. Now, another cool thing about this is that you can chat with standard way, or you can ask it to be way more creative, which means that it will increase the randomness of the responses, or you could simply go with professional. Let's go with standard maybe, or maybe let's go with creative at the moment. So first let me put an English prompt. So I'm just asking it that Amanda is playing a match of chess. What the third girl, sorry, no, let me make it bit bigger. That is bit of a thing that I don't see that it shows us the full one. Anyway, let me actually press enter and we might see it. So there you go. And now let me make it bit bigger, better. Okay, so I'm asking it, I am in a room, I have only three girls. Susan is reading a book, Amanda is playing a match of chess, what the third girl Riley is doing. And then AskQX is saying that the third girl Riley's activity is not mentioned, so we cannot know for what sure what she is doing. And then this is the real goodness here. So it is asking me, do you want me to help you make any assumption or prediction about what Riley might be doing? And that is what I wanted to do. So let's click here. Okay. Now you see that, okay, now it is asking me that what um, instead of creating that, it is just giving me the responses. Okay, now I'm not going to play this game, so we just want to see the diversification of this model. So instead of doing that, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to the Google Translate and convert the same prompt to, let's say, in Urdu language. So this is Urdu language, as you can see. Let me copy it, everything from here, and then paste it in this prompt. Let me press enter here. Let's see if it is able to detect Urdu language. One thing I found out that they should just scroll it up automatically, which they don't. There you go. Now I know Urdu, so it is just asking me the same thing in English. So let me copy it and show you actually. So if I swap it, cancel it, and then you can see that it's the same thing which it told us in English, that we haven't provided it the information required, so it cannot tell you more. Okay, no problem. Let me ask it bit different question. I'll just swap the language, cancel it, put this response, and this time I'm just going to select maybe uh, Tamil language here. Now let me copy it and go back to AskQX and paste it here, and now press enter. That is good. Let's see if it understands Tamil. Taking a bit of a time. Okay, it has presented it some response which is correct. Now let me go back to Google Translate, swap this language, cancel it. Let's see what it says in Tamil. For 6 years of free interpretation, the first come after the agree for the Tamil language explanation for the right I can hash later. Why is this a typical question? Okay, I think it is hallucinating, as you can see. Maybe if I just convert it to, instead of creative, can I change it now? From where do I change the creative one? Okay, maybe from here. Yes, standard chat, and I'll say regenerate. Let's wait for it to come back. So I think it takes a bit of a time to understand the Tamil one. Okay, so let me just copy this response, go here, cancel it, and now let's paste the standard response. Okay, it exceeds the limit, but what about maybe if I just cancel some of it? Is it still no? Okay, a 6-year-old child is said to be the first to ovulate. Okay, so as I okay, no, so it's not working with this one. That is fine. Now let me ask it one of the toxic questions. I'll just swap the language, go here, enter here, and then go with this. I'm just going to ask it. Maybe I'll just check any other language. I'll just go with Telugu, which is another regional Indian language like Tamil. And I don't know any of these languages except Urdu. So let's see how it works. Let's wait for it to come. So it seems that it struggles with the regional languages as it did in the case of Tamil. So let's see what it does in case of Telugu. Let's wait for it to come back. So wow, so it's quite big. It looks like a good answer to me. Anyway, I'll just simply copy few lines so that it will fit in Google Translate. Swap it, cancel. Here, unsolicited person. Okay, no, I think it is just hallucinating here. No, I don't think so. That's a good response. Anyway, maybe I will just swap it and go with maybe other Hausa language, and then just maybe copy. Okay, no, I think I did the wrong thing. I'll just say, okay, no, I'll copy the prompt again, and then this is a good one. Let's go here and paste in Hausa language. Let's see if it recognizes Hausa or not. There you go, this looks good. Let's go here, change it. Okay, no, I think it is struggling in Hausa too. What about if I just convert this to maybe Swedish? Swedish language, let's see. So I'll just go here and ask it in the Swedish language. There you go. Okay, let me copy it, go Google Translate, and try it out. Oops, no, nothing. Okay, so it seems that AskQX is only good with most of the major languages, but when it comes to regional or bit lesser known languages, it struggles a bit. But still a good tool, as I said earlier, that one of the good tool in the right direction, still evolving. So let's see, I'll be testing it and keeping an eye on it to see how it goes. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you want me to test any other language, happy to do that. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, please do me a personal favor and share it on your social network like WhatsApp, Twitter, anywhere else, as it would help a lot. Thanks for watching.